Hi, I'm Robert, President of Permaboss, and we're here to show you the new embroidery laser and multimedia laser decoration system. We're in Long Beach. So James, what I have here is a 50-watt laser, and the idea is that I can embroider items. In this case, I'll do a quick demo. I've got an applique example, so I've taken a bag that we're giving out at the show. I put on a washable suede and did a running stitch. There's foil underneath it because this material is super heat sensitive. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually place it in here. And if you can take a quick peek, you'll see that there's a guideline. And I've aligned the embroidery. Now, if I'm doing a simple applique, I don't have to leave it on the in the hoop. I can actually take it out and free up my embroidery machine. And as I press start here, I'm going to end up cutting out the bag. See how fast that goes? And that's pretty much done now. So what I want to do is I want to put the logo, the image, the art onto it. I'm going to switch that over on artwork-wise here quickly. Do an etch. I'm going to switch the power here. I'm going to go 29, 1100, and one pass. Now you can see that I've got another box over here. And what I'm going to do is etch that logo. Now I'm doing the Long Beach City. So the goal is that I want to reduce stitch count. I want to put an image on an object, and I want to make it easier than before. So now I actually touched it too soon. But what you end up with is this image put onto the bag, but all you have is the running stitches. Can you follow me over here for one sec? Here I've taken a car mat. I don't know how it comes up in the light, and I can etch that. I can do marble, so if I want to do plaques, awards, and something like this might take 3 minutes to etch with our laser. A tabletop laser might take maybe 45 minutes to 90 minutes. Some of our customers, they create different awards, they create different product samples for a brewery with the paddle where you put the beer logos on, etc. And that's all done with the laser. Now, what I'm wearing is a shirt that's tattooed, so the same principle as what I did with the bag, I've actually put a logo on. Now, I don't want to put this many logos on a shirt or on a jacket, but the goal is that I can do something tone on tone, and I can do it in 4, 5, 7, 10, 15 seconds based on the size. Anything that's synthetic tends to get darker. With the laser etching, you don't break the waterproofing. And here I can do a full back tattoo. If I would do that in stitches, nobody would pay for it because nobody's willing to pay $50, $60 to do something that might be 100,000 stitches. The same technique with the laser is taking the edge or the fluff off of the fleece and making, again, what I call a tattoo. And all these images, full back, or even if you do left chest, here's where, for the first time, I took the jacket, but I did different settings to find out how to get what's right. And once I've done that, I pretty much know that for all the garments. It's not that difficult. And finally, the concept of the applique is I would throw on a piece of t-shirt, a piece of tackle twill, a piece of felt, and I would do a running stitch, as you can see here. The running stitch for a full front logo, or just on the wall here, James, to take a look. These are full front logos. These are, somewhere in the neighborhood of 10, 12 inches. Longhorns is 3 layers of t-shirt. That's 2 types of tackle twill. Michelin Man is 1 piece of felt. These are all things that I could do full front, but the stitches is actually less stitches than a left chest embroidery. So if you counted this out, I'd probably be in the neighborhood of 1,500 to 1,800 stitches. Once the laser has cut it, just like I showed you a second ago, I peel this away, and this is what my end result is. So when I wash this, it's going to flower up. And now I've got that Abercrombie, Hollister, American Eagle type of look, and I'm able to do a full front decoration. If I have 1 embroidery machine, if I have 2 heads, if I have 6 heads, all of a sudden I get 2 to 4 times more output per hour, and I'm charging $7 to $9 wholesale for a decoration that takes me less time than a left chest. And you know that the left chest you're charging $2, $3, $4 for at best of times. So I want to take your embroidery machine and go from a $25, $35 an hour revenue into revenue where you're hitting $250, $350, $450 an hour. And that's provable with people that are doing the decoration. So if you have any questions at all, visit us down here at Long Beach and get your, bring in any textile, any dry wicking. We'll tattoo it right on the spot for you. So if you have any questions, visit our website at permabosslaser.com. We also have a channel, youtube.com/permabosslaser, and you can get a lot of the videos in length there and details and explanations. Thanks a lot.